Observability assets are configurations. They are created, inspected, modified, and eventually removed as systems evolve. The Dash0 CLI gives you direct control over that lifecycle from the terminal. Let's start by listing the existing synthetic checks. This shows the checks currently defined in the environment, including their names and IDs. I'll take one of those IDs and retrieve the full definition. This returns the complete resource definition. You can see the resource kind, metadata, labels, permissions, scheduling configuration, retry policy, and the HTTP plugin configuration that defines the request and assertions. Because the resource is defined in YAML, it can be easily exported to a local file. Once the change is made, we apply the update. And if the check is no longer needed, we can also just delete it. The same lifecycle workflow applies to other observability assets such as views, check rules, dashboards, etc. This provides full lifecycle management for observability configuration. You can make direct, imperative changes when needed or manage assets declaratively as code, all from your terminal.